Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the update. Open File, Office Account, and read the About Outlook entry so you know the target. Once done, backup mail with export or confirm cloud sync. This prevents data loss. Make sure autosave is off and close Outlook, saving open drafts first. Then, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or use Ethernet for reliability. Finally, sign in with an admin account if required. This lets you run updates without permission errors and keeps the process smooth. You move into the main install. Open Update Options and choose Update Now so Outlook pulls the latest build automatically. This handles dependencies. If you use a standalone Outlook, download the correct installer for 32-bit or 64-bit to avoid compatibility issues. Once the installer is ready, run it as administrator. This prevents permission failures and follow on-screen prompts. During install, watch progress and keep your connection active, because interrupted downloads or power loss can corrupt the update and force a rollback. You finish by restarting Outlook and confirming the updated version under About Outlook, then test sending and receiving to ensure functionality. If issues appear, make sure to run an Office repair from Control Panel or Settings. This often fixes missing files. If problems persist, clear the local cache, recreate the mail profile, and restart in safe mode to disable add-ins. One of them may be blocking startup. If you see specific error codes, note them. They guide targeted fixes and speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.